one special person in this world, but this boat fits perfect. He's working in the shop over there. We're secretly going to get this boat all fixed up and set up and then give it to him later here in a little bit. But this boat is perfect for Benny. Here. I want to let him give a real authentic reaction. We'll see what he does. So stage like that pontoon?
No, that didn't pontoon. Yeah, except for how slow it was.
What?
Except for how slow it is.
Slow?
Yeah.
You don't like slow boats?
No.
Oh dude, I just took in a job. I don't know if you're gonna want it.
What is it?
I'll show you.
Oh, look cool. Pictures.
Come and look at it here.
Oh, dude!
What?
He's sick!
What?
These are my kind of boats, man.
This is your kind of boat.
This is my kind of boat right here. This is what I grew up in with my grandpa.
Are you serious? Oh yeah. He said it ran, but he said whatever it costs, just do it. Get it fixed. Like right about there.
This is low. Just skimming off of this. That probably lifts up, probably quite high.
It's gonna skim. It probably rides real smooth too.
Oh, yeah.
So, anyways, yeah, the guy that brought it in, he's a good friend, a really good friend of mine and stuff. So I was like, I know it's a older boat and all, but I told him, dude, for you,
That's good.
for the guy this goes to, I'm like, dude, I'll do that, no problem. So hopefully we can figure it out.
I think it runs good. I can't wait to water test it.
You know, I don't know if he's gonna let us water test it. We'll see. I'm eating another one of his cookies. I don't think he'll care. We'll see.
I took it in already.
Yeah?
I already touched the key.
That's true.
Your dad was like, you're gonna be mad at me for taking this in. I was like, what? What'd you take in? I turned around and saw. I was like, oh hell no, this is sick. I love these. This is what I grew up in. Yeah, I want it. I want the whole thing. It brings back memories. This is probably
special for some reason.
I would say it's probably a sentimental value 100% on this guy.
Alright, we ran into a little hitch today. I was out watching Benny working on his boat that he doesn't know is his. And he asked in our system, where do I put the items that I need in the boat? There's no job in our system. And so I'm like, oh yeah, well it's I can't remember the guy's name, even though he's my best friend according to earlier in the video as you saw. So I'm making up somebody and it's gonna be a weird name. So here we go, we're gonna put it in here into the system here, to our software here. It's gonna have to be under Ben, you know, we call we call Benny, but we're just gonna call him Ben today. And let's see how we can spell this last name. I-T-C-H-E-R-S? How would you say that? Let's see. Ben-Itchers. Ben-Itchers. So he's gonna be looking at this thinking, what kind of weird last name is that? Ben-Itchers? Ben-Itchers. And he's gonna be seeing it the whole time, and I guarantee he's not gonna catch on to it. The whole time he's gonna be like, yeah, the boat for Ben-Itchers? And he's gonna be saying, Ben, it's yours. Ben, it's yours.
So here's the deal. Ben loves this boat. It's not even his yet, but he started it up, he was laughing. He was just like laughing with joy as he was starting it up. He said I want it countless times, over and over. He's like, I want this boat. This is an awesome boat. That's like, and he told me all these stories about how he grew up in this kind of boat. Like, when Benny gets back, we're gonna reveal this boat and hand it over. So, I'm trying to get it a little bit cleaner. Here we go. Got it pretty clean. I mean, as clean as we could get it in that much time. So, I mean, Benny's gonna be here pretty soon, hopefully, and we're gonna present it to him, and that's gonna be pretty awesome. I can't wait to see what he says, actually. It's good to go.
What do you need still on it?
I got to redo a couple wires.
Oh crap, that one stuck.
He only needed the safety lanyard.
Need a safety lanyard?
He needed the safety lanyard because he had the button zip tied in.
Gotcha.
And
Did you put all the items on the ticket?
not yet. I put the fuel water separator on the ticket, and that's it so far.
Did you find the ticket?
Yeah. I
Who
found
was it? What was his name?
Ben.
Ben what?
I don't remember the last name. Ben. Shoot, I forgot his last name. It's a good name though.
Really?
Yeah.
What was it?
Ben Itchers.
Who?
Itchers.
Ben what?
Itchers.
Say it again.
Ben Itchers.
Say it again.
Ben Itchers.
Say it again.
Yeah, I see. I got it. Oh my god. Oh. I love you.
We finished getting it, dude.
That's why I say get everything fixed on and stuff like that on the clock. We'll take care of it once you get the boat run. Yeah, man. I saw this and I was like, this is a Benny boat!
The engine on it too sounds so mean.
Oh, dude.
So vicious.
Started, I got a little excited.
Oh, you definitely did.
Yeah,
you
your
were
face
laughing.
lit up.
When you started laughing. I was like, yes.
I grew up on these boats.
That's the best part about it. 'Cause I'm like, oh, you really like this boat.
And I'm probably the only one of the crew that enjoys these boats.
I saw it on
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's cool. It's the seat. Just needs a hot foot now.
Right, it does need a hop.
Yeah.